Jiangsu is located in Shanghai, Foshan, a city renowned as the hometown of aluminum. We specialize in manufacturing, refining flux, dross agents, metal melting furnaces, and related equipment. We offer 4 grades of aluminum refining flux to meet various requirements for molten metal purification. We maintain a ready stock, enabling us to respond quickly to urgent customer needs. Our products are available to types of packaging, carton boxes and plastic bags. Our daily flux production capacity is 20 tons, with the ability to increase output to 30 tons for larger requests. Please give us a like and follow our channel. Thank you.